I am here in Daly City because it is so important to tell Filipinos in the global community, tayong mga nasa diaspora, that our influence is so strong so that even if we are not registered to vote, we still can influence the course of this election in Manila come May 2016. It is so important because we already started the Ang Matuwid, meaning good governance in the Philippines. 6 years is not enough. Kulang. Our president should have another term, but the Constitution forbids it. So the second term of President Noynoy should be Mar Roxas, that he is the chosen one by Noynoy, by Pinoy. And 6 years, another 6 years with Mar Roxas, is not enough. 12 years is not enough. We need another 6 years, and that is Leni Robredo. So if we have 18 years of good governance, the Philippines will become a head nation and no longer kulelat. Hindi na tayo, bottom third. We will be in the family of nations among the First Nation. Thank you.